Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I'm Muhammad Jahid Hassan. I'm an English language teacher. Right now, I'm going to describe about a word. The word is abortion, and the spelling of the word is ABORTION. Abortion, and the meaning is garbhopat in Bangla. She decided to have an abortion. I've always been anti-abortion. The abortion issue is political dynamite. Some nurses wanted the right to refuse to perform abortion. Abortion is a controversial topic. Some countries allow abortion by law. People have different opinions about abortion. So right now, I'm going to drill two sentences. I've always been anti-abortion. I've always been anti-abortion. I've always been anti-abortion. I've always been anti-abortion. আমি সর্বদাই গর্ভপাতের বিরোধী ছিলাম। গর্ভপাত বলতে বোঝায় সন্তান না নেওয়া। আচ্ছা। People have different opinions about abortion. 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 গর্ভপাত নিয়ে মানুষের বিভিন্ন মত আছে। Thank you very much.